Hello students, now very most important topic, that is rate of hydration. Rate of hydration of following given alkenes. Find out the compare the rate of hydration of following given alkenes. So student, here first one is ethylene, propene, isobutane. Three compounds are there. Out of these three, which one is fast rate of hydration? Out of these three, which one is fast rate of hydration? You remember student, that is rate of hydration is directly proportional to the stability of carbocation. You remember student, rate of hydration directly proportional to the stability of carbocation. First find out the stability of carbocation. So now here student, that is this bond is double bonded compound. This double bonded compound, when bond shifting towards right hand side, this carbon getting positive charge and this carbon getting negative charge, but it is the primary carbocation. This bond shifting towards right hand side, why? Because of this CH3 group is their electron releasing group, so that's why this bond shifting towards right hand side, this carbon getting negative charge and this carbon getting positive charge. And C compound, whatever C compound, this is also this bond shifting towards right hand side and this carbon getting positive charge and this carbon getting negative charge. So what I said student, that is the rate of hydration is directly proportional to the stability of carbocation. So here that is stability of carbocation means that is tertiary carbocation is rate of hydration is fast. So out of these three, which one is more hydration, rate of hydration student? So this is primary carbocation, this is secondary carbocation, this is the tertiary carbocation. So what I said, that is rate of hydration is directly proportional to the stability of carbocation, that is more stable compound. Tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary carbocation, secondary carbocation more stable than primary carbocation. So now here, that is rate of hydration is tertiary carbocation is fast. So here what is the order student, that is tertiary carbocation is more rate of hydration is greater than secondary carbocation. Secondary carbocation is more hydration than primary carbocation. This is the order student. So now here what is the tertiary, out of these three, which one is stable, which one is the tertiary carbocation? C compound. So now here C compound is more rate of hydration than B compound. B compound is more rate of hydration than A compound. This is the order student. This is the rate of hydration order given following compound, that is C compound is fast rate of hydration. C compound is greater than B compound. B compound is greater than A compound. This is the simple trick student. You remember, rate of hydration is directly proportional to the stability of carbocation. Now take the second example student, that is the this all are benzyl group is there. These all are having benzene group, benzene group, benzene group, benzene group, but all are having double bonds. Then here also same thing student, this double bond shifting towards right hand side, this carbon getting positive charge, and here also double bond shifting towards right hand side, this carbon also getting positive charge and this one negative charge, this also negative charge, and this double bond also shifting towards right hand side, this carbon getting negative charge and this carbon getting positive charge. And C compound also, this bond shifting towards right hand side, this carbon also having, this carbon also getting positive charge. So all are equal, all are having benzene group, all are having double bond, all carbons having secondary carbocation. This is also secondary carbocation, it is also secondary carbocation, it is also secondary carbocation, it is also secondary carbocation. So here all compounds are having conjugation is there student. There is double bond, then single bond, then double bond, then single bond, all are having conjugation, all are having conjugation. So here due to the conjugation, here stability is, that is due to the conjugation stability is increases, due to the presence of conjugation stability will be increases. So here this all are conjugation due to the presence of due to the presence of positive charge, this positive charge participating in the resonance, this positive charge involved in the resonance, so that's why it is the more stable, and all are stable compounds. But here in first compound there is no effect, means that is there is no other substituted groups are not there, there is no effect. And B compound having one chlorine is there, this chlorine belongs to minus I group, this chlorine belongs to minus I group. What is the role of minus I group? This minus I group is always electron withdrawing group, electron withdrawing group. So that is unstable, this compound is unstable. And what about this compound student? Here this NO2 is the it is also electron withdrawing group. So NO2 group is belongs to minus M, this is minus M, it is the most unstable compound, this is the most unstable. Why? Because NO2 is strong withdrawing group compared to Cl. Cl also withdrawing group, but Cl is least withdrawing compared to NO2. NO2 is the strong withdrawing group, so that is the most unstable compound. This is also unstable. And OCH3 group is there. What is the role of OCH3 group? This was oxygen having two lone pairs are there, so it is belongs to plus M group. What is the role of plus M group, student? That is plus M group is electron releasing group, so that's why that is D compound is more stable. D compound, first one is D compound is more stable than A compound. Why? Because of there is no effect, it is also more stable. These two are the most unstable. These two are the unstable compound. Out of these two are the unstable compound due to the minus I is there and minus M is there. But A compound and D compound, A compound there is no effect, but D compound having plus M group is there. This plus M group is always electron releasing, so that's why D compound is more stable than A compound. A compound is more stable than B compound. What about this B and C? B compound is the least, that is this unstable compound. This is unstable compound, that is weak minus I. This minus I is there, minus M is there. First priority goes to strong minus M. First priority goes to minus M. It is a bigger number, so minus M is the first priority. Then second priority is minus I. So that is the, what is the stability order? D is greater than A is greater than B is greater than C. C compound is the, it is most unstable. C compound is the most unstable. So that is stability compounds. What I said, that is rate of hydration. Rate of hydration is directly proportional to the stability of carbocation. So here out of these, which one is more stable? That is D compound is more stable than A compound. A compound more stable than B compound. B compound is more stable than C compound. Then here also same thing, hydration, rate of hydration order. So this is the rate of hydration order, student. Rate of hydration is directly proportional stability of carbocation. So here rate of hydration out of these four, which one is more rate of hydration? D compound having more rate of hydration than A compound. A compound having more hydration than B compound. B compound more hydration than C compound. This is the order, sir. B compound is more hydration than C compound. This is the rate of hydration order, student. Now one more example. Now last example, student. Same thing. This is also benzyl group, but different groups are there, different effects are there. This CH3 belongs to plus I group. The CN belongs to minus I group or minus I group. This is the minus M group, and NH2 also belongs to plus M group. So these all are same thing, all are secondary carbocation. Is also bond shifting, this is also plus charge. This bond shifting, we get this carbon also getting positive charge. This bond shifting towards right hand side, and this carbon also getting positive charge. This bond shifting towards right hand side, this is also getting positive charge. These all are conjugation is there, double, single, double, all are conjugations are there. Double bond next carbon positive charge is there. This positive charge involved in the resonance, this positive charge participating in the resonance, so that's why it is more stable than more stable compound. All are stabilization, but all are having same benzene groups are there, and all benzyl carbon, this benzyl carbocation is more stable. So here all are benzyl carbocation is formed, but this group having plus I group is there, plus I effect. And second one, B compound, this is A compound, B, C and D, and B compound having minus I group, and C compound having minus I and minus M. NO2 belongs to minus M, and D compound having plus M groups are there. So out of these three, which one is more stable? That is this NH2 group is electron releasing group, NO2 is electron withdrawing group. It is the unstable, it is most unstable compound. This is the most unstable compound, and D compound is most stable compound. D compound is more stable than A compound. These B and C belongs to minus I group and minus M. These B and C groups are negative groups, withdrawing groups. B and C groups are belongs to withdrawing groups. B and C groups are electron withdrawing groups, and D and A groups are electron releasing groups. So that's why D is more stable than A compound, A is more stable than B compound, B is more stable than C compound. This is the order, student. So now here hydration, rate of hydration energy, rate of hydration of alkanes. rate of hydration of alkenes is directly proportional to the stability of carbocation. So here D compound having more stable than A compound. A compound due to the plus I group. This is also electron releasing group. So this is also electron releasing group. So that's why it is more stable. D is more stable than A is more stable than B is more stable than C. What about C? This is NO2 group is most unstable compound. NO2 is the belongs to minus M. It is most unstable. This is strong withdrawing group compared to cyano groups. Compared to cyano group, NO2 is strong withdrawing group. That is the reason, student. So here D is more rate of hydration is than A compound. A compound is more rate of hydration than B compound. B compound is more rate of hydration than C compound. This is the simple trick, student. So now here rate of hydration of alkenes depends on stability. More stability of carbocations, more stability compounds, more stability of carbocations. You remember, student, stability of carbocations are directly proportional to the rate of hydration. You remember, student, stability of carbocations is directly proportional to the rate of hydration. This is the simple trick, student. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Thanks for watching. Thank you.